Are you struggling to create a sophisticated, user-friendly digital wallet or banking application from the ground up? Building a modern fintech platform with all essential features and a polished UI can be incredibly time-consuming and demanding for designers and developers alike. You need a powerful solution that simplifies the entire process without compromising on quality or comprehensive functionality. Introducing AiWalletic UI Kit, your ultimate answer for crafting exceptional digital wallet, money transfer, and banking applications with unparalleled speed and precision. This isn't merely a design asset, it's a complete ecosystem meticulously designed to accelerate your development journey. AiWalletic offers an astonishing collection of over 120 meticulously crafted screens, covering every imaginable scenario for a modern financial application. Dive into more than 250 reusable components, ensuring consistency and efficiency across your entire project from the very first step. From seamless onboarding flows, secure sign-in, and intuitive sign-up processes, to detailed home dashboards and comprehensive user profiles, AiWalletic anticipates every need. Manage multiple wallets effortlessly, track comprehensive transaction histories, and execute secure money transfers with intuitive send and receive functionalities. Integrate robust banking features to add funds, withdraw money, and link various external accounts with absolute ease. The kit supports convenient bill payments, provides robust security measures like Face ID and fingerprint authentication, and even includes QR code scanning for swift transactions. Every screen boasts a pixel-perfect, clean, and modern design, meticulously optimized for Retina-ready displays, guaranteeing a premium user experience. Provided in industry-standard Figma, all files are fully editable, well-organized with layers, components, and groups, making customization a breeze to match your unique brand identity. Drastically save hundreds of hours in design and development time, empowering you to launch your innovative digital financial service faster than ever before. Whether you are building an e-money platform, a secure payment gateway, or a full-fledged banking solution, AiWalletic UI Kit stands as your foundational masterpiece. Ready to bring your visionary financial application to life with unparalleled ease, elegance, and efficiency? Elevate your project and deliver an outstanding user experience that truly sets your application apart with AiWalletic. Find the link to explore and acquire this ultimate UI kit in the description below and start building your future today.